The scenario that home security marketers never describe honestly is the one that is most dangerous for older homeowners, not a slow, detectable daytime approach by a single individual, but a sudden grid-down event at 2 in the morning where the power goes out, the neighborhood goes dark, and the window between normal and dangerous compresses from hours to seconds. If your security system requires the internet to function, it is now offline. If your cameras require power, they are now blind. If your smart locks require a cellular signal, they are now mechanical dead weight. And you are now in a completely dark house with no information about what is happening outside it. The anti-looter kit was designed specifically for this scenario by former CIA officer Jason Hansen. A system built on grid-independent components that provides the one resource that matters more than any other in this situation: time. The link is in the description and I want you to get it before you go any further in this video because the 60-second detection window we are about to discuss is exactly what the kit's perimeter tripwire system was engineered to create. Leave a like if this kind of realistic, unvarnished home security content is what you come to In the Beginning for. Drop a comment. Your engagement helps this content reach more people who need it. Protection for older homeowners is not about physical combat capability. It is not about strength, speed, or tactical training. It is about information and time, having early enough warning of an approaching threat that you can move to a safe position, contact help, or activate additional deterrence before the threat is at the door. A senior who has 60 seconds of warning before a potential intruder reaches the building is in a fundamentally different position than a senior who has 0 seconds of warning because the first indication of the threat is the sound of a window breaking. 60 seconds is the margin between prepared and caught entirely off guard. The anti-looter kit creates that 60-second margin through its perimeter tripwire system, a tactical-grade device positioned at the outer edge of the property, across driveways, porch steps, or garden paths, that triggers a piercing alarm the moment an intruder crosses it. The wire is nearly invisible at ground level. An approaching person does not see it until they have already triggered it. The alarm fires immediately, not after a 30-second verification delay, not after a cellular signal reaches a monitoring center, not after any grid-dependent process completes. It fires at the moment of breach, at the property line, before anyone has reached the door or the window. 60 seconds. That is the realistic time buffer between a perimeter tripwire alarm and an intruder reaching the primary entry point of most residential properties. For a senior who knows their home and has a prepared response, 60 seconds is sufficient to move to a designated safe room, retrieve any personal protection tools, and contact emergency services. For a senior who is woken by a window breaking at the entry point itself, the response window is measured in seconds rather than a full minute. The kit's blackout-proof solar floodlight operates independently of grid power and illuminates the property perimeter the moment motion is detected. Combined with the perimeter tripwire, it creates a two-signal early warning system, audible alarm plus sudden illumination, that strips away the element of surprise that makes nighttime approaches so dangerous. A criminal who triggers a sudden piercing alarm and simultaneously finds themselves lit by a floodlight at the property perimeter has lost the anonymity and time advantage that made the approach viable. Research on criminal behavior consistently shows that unexpected noise combined with sudden illumination produces rapid retreat rather than continued approach in the majority of cases. The kit's dual-function alarm door jammer provides the mechanical final stand at the entry point if the perimeter detection layers are bypassed. Physical mechanical block preventing door breach combined with a 120 decibel alarm. No power required. No internet required. No monitoring service required. A standalone mechanical system that provides both physical resistance and audible alert simultaneously regardless of grid status. The entire anti-looter kit, perimeter tripwire, solar floodlight, alarm door jammer, all-angle motion sensors, stealth window alarms, and the home fortification defense guide, Comes in a waterproof shock-resistant tactical case that sets up in 30 to 60 minutes without professional installation. No monthly fees. No subscription. No cellular dependency. It works in a complete blackout because it was designed to work in a complete blackout. Jason Hansen built this system from his experience protecting CIA field outposts in conditions where the grid was either unreliable or non-existent. The principle is the same whether the protected location is an intelligence outpost in a hostile environment or an older homeowner's residence during a grid-down civil unrest event. Early detection at the perimeter, visual deterrence that makes the target appear costly to engage, and a mechanical final stand at the entry point. 60 seconds of warning is everything. The kit is designed to give you that 60 seconds every time. Get it from the link in the description. Jason Hansen built this system from his experience protecting CIA field outposts in conditions where the grid was either unreliable or non-existent. The principle is the same whether the protected location is an intelligence outpost in a hostile environment or an older homeowner's residence during a grid-down civil unrest event. Early detection at the perimeter, visual deterrence that makes the target appear costly to engage, and a mechanical final stand at the entry point. Leave a like and drop a comment telling us what your current warning system looks like when the power goes out.